Hey everyone! Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you guys. Guys, what was the best part about Christmas? As children, बचपन में, gifts, right? From Santa Claus. And it was always about, अच्छा ये लिख लो कि Christmas के लिए क्या चाहिए? And then of course there would be a Santa Claus who would come in. Now, I thought, you know what will be fun? Just in case I got to be Santa Claus. So guys, of course, as a idea, I put out this on Instagram saying, guys, I'm assuming I was Santa Claus for Christmas. What would you want? Now, all of you have written, and guys, I will be giving you your gifts back today. So let's get started. So guys, there were over 100 messages where you guys have wished me for Christmas and for New Year. So here's wishing all of you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year once more. Let's get started.
Can we travel a night to Paris for seeing Tower?
Yeah, sure. That would be a gift to me though. Which is very sweet. I think Santa would like to receive gifts too. Yes, I think that would be possible, that we went to Paris and saw the tower.
Just message me once.
Okay. Send me a message once.
Yes, ma'am. Just message me once.
All right. I would request you to check your DM in a bit. You will have a message from me.
Can you give me a kiss in the air that will take me to the heaven gorgeous?
I hope you reached heaven safely.
Ta OG. This is from Ta OG. I pray for your long life.
Wow, this is the best Christmas ever. You know what, guys? If you keep gifting Santa like this, I would want to be Santa every year. I don't think Santa has received so many gifts. So, thank you so much. And in return, since I am Santa, I am sending you a blessing for a very, very long life also. Thank you so much.
I wish will you marry me, ma'am.
I wish will you marry me. Yeah, as a Santa who's very, very passionate about being Santa, I need to tell you that even I wish that I could marry you. But you know the answer. So I will also give you a kiss in return instead of marriage. I hope that was good for you. Instead of marriage.
A long hug to feel your chubby body.
Hug to feel. All right. Listen, for now it will have to be virtual. Rest of it, please. I will picture that hug was for you. I hope the love has reached you.
Yeah. Shashank DXT. I would ask a wifey like you or even you.
Oh, my. Okay, very flattered. So like me or even like me, thank you for the option. I will, all right. So since I'm not available, I will take this responsibility of finding and sending you a girl like me. Maybe even better, who knows? Let's think bigger.
Mohammad Yazi. A sweet voice message saying my name and a small kiss showing love.
All right, this is for you. Please check your DM in a bit. I will be sending the needful.
Your Telugu re-entry.
All right. Okay, so you know what? Even Santa's kind of praying for that. And it's really good to know that Santa's gift would be a gift for you.
Just make Pooh my best friend, that's all. Nems86.
I am your best friend. Don't ever doubt that I'm not your best friend. I am. I'm just really bad with calls and messages, but that is what it means to be my best friend. Okay guys, now I have got this Christmas gift request very often, maybe even for New Year's, maybe even for other festivals. And very soon, I think hopefully from the first month of the coming year, we will be starting this thing where I meet up one fan every month for coffee. We will also be posting that on YouTube. So yes, this wish has been taken into account and will be played out in due course.
Sex Vera level.
Yeah, I can intend it for you.
That's all, ma'am. That's all.
I hope and pray it happens for you. And I hope and pray you are happy in general.
Leon Jaip Thomas. Something naughty because I've been very good this year.
How do I know you've been good this year? Your girlfriend told me otherwise.
Show me your heaven.
My heaven.
A special Tesla photo shoot and post it.
Guys, we already anticipated this question more than once. So today we have actually done a whole episode just on the Tesla and me answering questions about it. It will be posted very soon.
If you were Santa, I'd ask for a smile. But tell me, what name does Santa call you?
Firstly, you asked for a smile, here it is. So on this particular planet where we have the tradition of Santa, yeah, he would call me by my name, Poonam.
You are empowering, enterprising, entertaining, and accelerating a gem. A big fan of your Instagram page.
Thank you. That's another gift for Santa. Much love to you, darling.
I want your contact number.
See, the thing is, I'm Santa for today. Which means I would go back to the North Pole, I think. I came here with my reindeers. There's no network there. So you'll have to write or DM me on Insta itself.
Sandy ride with cruise bike, red bikini and Santa cap.
So the thing is, it's festival season. Santa is really busy. And also Santa doesn't want to cause any chaos for the festival. So I will grant half your wish. The cap will be on. Hope that's fine.
Mr. Paneer 1107 has asked for a bubbly plum cake like you.
Bubbly plum cake. Very cute name, by the way. I need to know your location or your address and we will send you a cake.
I will leak your navel, lips and armpits.
Okay. See, you should leak something that the social media has not seen. I am posting pictures with those. So just have a Merry Christmas. There's no need to leak. I mean, the photos will be out anyways.
Can you post a picture of yours for Christmas?
All right. I shall. You'll just have to check, I think, in a few minutes. I'll post a picture.
Can I be with you in your favorite place, in your favorite dress and with your favorite song?
Yes, absolutely. I would love that. You'll have to DM me, of course, because I don't think you know where my favorite place is. So I'll have to tell you where to turn up. Alright guys, so most of your messages were about wishing me for the season's greetings. The next lot of messages were about Tesla. And we addressed that by making a video about it today. Now guys, there is this thing that I am attempting to execute, which is of course meeting up with fans, and fingers crossed we should be starting Jan coming year. So guys, the next thing we're trying to execute is the fan meet, where we'll be meeting one fan every month, probably recording and putting it out on YouTube, where I'll be having a coffee with them starting from next month hopefully. So kind of looking forward to that, also very excited. Other than that guys, have a blast, happy holidays, love you.